Hello everybody, how you doing? Right, in this video, it's just a quick one. It's not sponsored, we're not doing no review, but I just want to show you these that we've got. Holy! Who knows about Holy? Probably not a lot of people, but a lot of people do. It's like 50-50. Right, reason we're on this stuff. We used to be people that used to love fizzy drinks, which wasn't doing us any good, as you can tell. Then we went down to like flavoured water and diet fizzy drinks and that, but it still wasn't doing anything. And obviously we've got a lot, as you've seen, we've got a load of YouTube videos and loads of subscriber people we're subscribed to, and we've seen them advertising for Holy. They do two different types of this. They've got the hydration, which is the one we have, because we're always thirsty, especially when it comes to summer. They've got energy drinks and milk. Actually, they've got four. They've got milkshakes and like iced tea. Only thing is, I won't go. We was going to try the energy ones because there's no added sugars. There's no artificial crap or anything in them like these other drinks do. It's literally all it is a powdered substance. You pour it in. It's just basically your flavouring, should I say, and vitamins. It's got every vitamin your body needs in these drinks. And that's one of the things I was having problems with because I'm on loads of medication and a lot of them, probably 3 or 4 different tablets a day, are for vitamins because my vitamins were low. So changed the diet round, eating more healthily, and drinking more healthily because all you do, you pour the powder in, which is literally nothing in it. It's just flavouring and vitamins. That is it. And water. Literally doesn't matter, tap water. That's what I've been using for the fact people are going to think I'm discussing now. Oh, why are you drinking tap water? One reason. It's ice cold because it's bleeding freezing out there. And so I just use that for now. I obviously use bottled water as well because it's 500ml bottles. So one normal 500ml bottle, pour in with your flavouring, done. Obviously for Vanlife as well, it's easy. I'm going to show you what we've got. They do starter packs for all these things as well. They've got like 14 pack starter pack, 28 pack or starter pack or something at different prices, which we started with. We tried obviously the hydration one first, which does work. Literally, I'm having 1, possibly 2 of these a day. That's it, and I feel hydrated. I don't need another drink. I mean, obviously, I've got a drink upstairs for bed. I don't like having these at night because obviously, being hydrated and that, I don't want to be like in bed. I'd rather wait until morning, have a cup of tea. You know, I still drink my teas. I can't go without my cups of tea. Don't do coffee. I do cups of tea. After them, it's just them for the rest of the day. That's lemon flavour, which, to be honest, with the lemon flavour, the hydration tastes like lemon sherbet. So if you like lemon sherbet sweets, that's the one you want. It tastes exactly like a lemon sherbet. It's absolutely fantastic. It's right refreshing. So when it comes to summer, obviously I won't be drinking out the tap then because the water won't be as cold as it is now. Well, I'll get bottled water, put it in the fridge, and just do it like that. So it's a healthier option. It's even healthier than water because you've got all your vitamins in. Water doesn't have vitamins in. It's got all this, especially at the tap, they probably put chemicals and things in water there. This is literally just flavouring and all your vitamins and water. That is it. So that's actually better. So we're sticking with Holy for them for our drinks now. So we use bottled water. That's what I've already said, bottled water. So you can use it at the tap. Obviously, a lot of people might not because of the crap that people where you pay your water, they clean all the water and everything. You don't know what they're putting in it, which I know, but it ain't caused me no harm at the minute. But whilst it's ice cold outside, water's nice and cold, and so that way I haven't got to buy water. It's literally come out your tap. So when summer comes, and yeah, I'll probably buy a bottle of water, put it in the fridge, it'll stay cold then. Or fill it up through the tap in your wherever you are and put it in your fridge. Just put the whole thing in your fridge and keep it cold for an hour. They've got new range anyway. They've got thermal bottles and that now, but I'll just keep it to them because at each order you get, you do normally get a free bottle with it. This is one of the new ones, which you can see there's a little funny picture on the side, or you've got a standard black one, which I don't think they do no more. I actually prefer the black colour of it than the blue. It looks nicer. I'll show you that in a minute when we're going, because I'm going to show you the flavours that we've got. They do other flavours as well. Now, I think there's only one flavour, sorry to say this, Holy, if you see this. There's one flavour I do not like when we got in the taster pack. Tina didn't like it neither. Coconut. Oh, we took one zip of that and tipped it down the sink. We didn't like the coconut at all. The other flavours, I can't fault them. They're all nice. Apart from the coconut, I won't have the coconut. I won't have it again. It just, I don't know, there's a weird taste to it. It tasted like one of them hazelnut yogurts, but in a drink like that. No. If you like hazelnut yogurts or something like that, that's up to you. But everyone's got their own opinion, haven't they? I don't like the coconut. It's the only one I don't like. At the hydration ones, we prefer all the fruity flavours anyway, to be fair. So, yeah, you know what? Let's take you in and show you. Right, here we are. Don't mind all this mess. Got slow cook. Everything's just everywhere at the minute. So these are the flavours. These are the ones we started with. Like this, look. And these are the two new ones. So if I try and get them side by side. Here we go. So these are the big tubs you can get. And every time you order one, you get a bottle with it. And you get 50 servings in each of these. So that's 200 drinks at that one bottle. Yeah, here's another one we got. Look. Empty one. So you get basically 200 of them out of them four. Can't go wrong. Yeah, they're £40. But it's making you a lot healthier than these energy drinks. Obviously, the only problem with the energy drinks, I have had a look, they've got a lot of caffeine in them, but there's no sugar. You just add water. So they're still better for you than a normal energy drink, but I want to try and stay away from the caffeine and that. We want to go healthy, so this is why we're going for the hydration. No sugars, no artificial crap, just flavour and vitamins with water. That's it. So that's what we've got. So we've got sour cherry, which we like. That's the first one we got with the lemon. And then we've just got a new one, which is the pineapple, which we tried in the taster pack anyway, which we liked, and strawberry kiwi. I'd say them four are favourites at the minute. So that's what we're going to keep to. We're going to probably get ours. I like the pear and that. They do loads of flavours. You'll have to just go on their website. Just put Holy UK in, if you're from UK. And brings their website up. So yeah, so there you go. It's not no review, this. I mean, I've paid for these myself. I just want to show you it, really. If you want to make a healthier lifestyle and keep hydrated, then the hydration is the way to go. Yes, it's a bit expensive, I know, but it's good for your diet because you get all them vitamins that you probably lost out on in the past. So you build them vitamins back up, which actually helps you feel better in yourself, which we have noticed, apart from Tina with the headaches, but we have noticed the difference. If you notice red patches on my head as well, just ignore that. I am treating it. I've got cream. It's my psoriasis is flaring up again. Probably because where I've been poorly and stressing out that I haven't been doing anything. But no, but like I said, it's up to you which one you go for. They've got 4 different thingies. Like you've got your energy, you've got your hydration, you've got your milkshake flavours as well, and you've got your iced tea flavours. So whatever you like, they should have. But with these ones, if you get the big tubs, they're light as well. So if you're in a van or you live in a van where you need to watch your weight limits, because a lot of people might only have these 3.5 ton license, so you can't go over there. So they're buying all these drinks, like all these waters, all these like diluted drinks or fizzy and that. It's a lot of weight in your van. You just need powder and the water. Them powders don't weigh anything. Put them in your cupboards. Don't weigh nothing. And you get 50 drinks out of each one. All different flavours as well. You know, they don't do these in diluted juice, do they? Basically lemon sherbet, they don't do that flavour. So, yeah, that's why we've done it as well. So it makes it a bit easier for us when we're travelling around. But I don't want to go too much into it because it's not a review. I was just showing you what we're doing because we're changing our diets around and that. And I thought, well, anybody that wants to do a diet or change the way how they drink and things could help other people. You know what I mean? That's what this channel's about, helping all you lovely lot out there. You know, all these camping places we go to, we try and find all the budget campsites, because obviously with cost of living, this is, I'm not sure what it's like in other countries, America or wherever you viewers come from, but in the UK the cost of living is dreadful at the minute, and it's going to get no better. So some of these campsites are up of £35 a night, and this is why we're in the same boat. You can't afford it these days, so we try and look for these budget campsites, so it's also helping us and it's also helping you guys. If you want to go, oh, that's a nice campsite, I wouldn't mind going there myself. No, it's not a bad price, you can't fault it. So there's been a few, if you've looked back at the videos, I need to put them all into playlists, but it benefits everybody, this channel, it benefits everybody. Obviously not so much people that are from abroad that watch it. I mean, we've got some people from, I think, Canada, from America, and that they're not going to come over here to go to a campsite, are they, really? Just to experience what it's like here just for a couple of nights. It's a long way for them to travel. But anyone from the UK that watches us, they could be like, oh, I'm looking for a cheap campsite. Yeah, come and look at us. There's a few on there you might be interested in. There's some, don't get me wrong, there's some that are okay that you might only want to spend a weekend at, but there could be some there that you could spend longer. We spent 2 weeks at Willowfields, which isn't far from us. We loved it there, even though it was very, very hot through last summer, very hot, and being in a tent, it was over the top, but we sat outside anyway. Well, it didn't bother us, we just sat in the shade, even though we were suffering with it. But now with these drinks, it's going to be even better. No, no, Tina's just said then to apologise for her because she really ain't well. She's got a bad one, I think, today. So it looks like she'll be asleep all day anyway. Yeah, I ain't said anything anyway. This is another video to the one I've just filmed. I literally just filmed one then, just a quick one to show you on YouTube how to do it all on the telly. But yeah, I'm Jamie. Tina's in there. Harvey's in there. My mum Jenny's in there. Andrew would be here, but he's in school. And if you're probably wondering, well, why is Harvey there? Decided to tell us in a text message yesterday afternoon that the school was shut for teacher training day. I didn't even know. They just told us yesterday afternoon, so that was a shocker. So that's why Harvey's off today, but Andrew's in, bless him, so he's probably weren't too happy. But yeah, so that's Holy. Go and check it out if you want. If you want to change the way you do like your diet and get rid of all these sugary, fizzy drinks and that, to make you feel more hydrated. They've got loads of options. Sorry about that. Harvey was being a pain. No, so yeah, go and check them out. I've got one more thing to show you anyway. Well, just quickly. These are just quickly. Well, I don't know how long it's been going. Probably just over 10 minutes. I don't know. But just quick little videos just showing you, so at least you've got an extra video of something different. Instead of obviously just little clips from old videos, because that's all I've been doing because I've had nothing. So I've just took little clips out to make a little video. And obviously I'm running out of them now. I've probably got a few more I can clip off, like from the festival and that we went to. So yeah, may as well catch you again soon. I'm going to do another video now of the other thing I've got in here. I ain't got a drink made up of it, but so yeah. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a comment, and give us a share. That's how YouTube see that we're getting activity on the channel, and hopefully pushes our video up there and builds it and gets more people involved, get more support, so we can make more videos. So anyway, love you all, and we'll catch you very soon. Ta-da.